What is happening, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Hoping out there is doing good, you feel me? So this video is the follow-up day. The next day I got the battery reconnected. I did nothing else. I just disconnected the battery overnight. I can't even front. This is gonna be a good video, you guys. I already finished shooting this video. Oh my god, I'm so stoked. I am so stoked. Finally, the day has come. Let's get into it. Alright, so it's the next day. I left the battery unplugged overnight. Let's see if that is going to be enough to fix everything. It's definitely not at 1250. And we're back to about 1250 again.
I read online that if you are trying to reset everything to just hold a rev of like 2,500 or 3 grand for like 5 seconds, so that's all I'm doing right here. And then I just kind of wanted to hear some noise.
I got it down to, after that first little bloop, 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 the little bloop of the throttle, it got down to about 900 and then it creeped back up to about 1250 again. So I'm wondering if there's maybe some air trapped in the cooling system, kind of telling the thermostat that you know, we gotta fix this or something. It's a whole list of possibilities, like of things that are causing this high idle. I just remembered where my timing light was at, so I'm gonna hook that up. You're supposed to get it on the line in between the 3 lines, either that or it's supposed to be on the white line off to the side. I'm not sure. I can reach all of them, so I know my timing belt is on correctly. I'm gonna check the internet and get back to you on that real quick. So it looks like I was right. It's the 3 lines. They should be red, and you want to go for the one in the middle while your timing light is set to 16. So just real quick, I have it set to 16, and then when it's set to 16,
you're going to want to make sure that the indicator line on the crank pulley matches up with the timing cover line.
Let's take a look at the RPMs here. Check on the temperature too. You guys, I think we're good. I mean, it's not right at 750, but it's like 850. We fixed it. We fixed it. Oh. It just needed to be timed and warmed up. It's fixed. You guys, this thing is ready for smog. Holy cow. I'm kind of blown away right now because wow. I'm so stoked right now. This thing is running perfect. There's nothing wrong with this car anymore. That's it. It's over. The build is over. I'm done. I can sell it now. Just kids. It's done. The timing is perfect. The timing is perfect. The idle is perfect. The coolant temperature. Everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. This is insane. You guys. I can finally get to work on everything else that I've been putting off. This car runs perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with this car anymore. Oh my god. This is insane. It's been like a year since I did the swap, and this is the first time that this car is running perfectly. Listen to that. You can't even, it's like barely even noticeable. It's a straight pipe too. Straight pipe back to a vibrant muffler. You can't even hear this thing. Dude. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, what? Gonna check the timing a little bit more. It's perfect. Everything is perfect. Let's go. Oh my god, it's over. It's done. Jeez, dude. Oh man, I just want to look at it one more time. It is right at 750. Like barely, it's like probably like 790 or something. Let's go. Dude, come on. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Oh my God, it's finally done. This car, as far as the motor goes, this build is done. Oh my God, I just gotta get an Integra intake arm, and that's it. I don't gotta, depends on how big of a stickler the guy's gonna be, because I have the OBD2 to OBD0 jumper on the alternator there. But aside from that, dude, there's no reason this car cannot pass smog. There's no reason for the pieces at the bar center to deny me a bar sticker, except for their stupid little laws, man. But that's fine. That's fine. That's why we have the Integra motor over here. Got to build that thing up. I'm so stoked, you guys. I'm just blown away. Thanks for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for like bodywork stuff, because I don't gotta work on the motor anymore. So stoked. Peace out, you guys.